What's up YouTube, Silver Dragons here. In this video, I'm talking about the Sunshine Minting Rounds. I want to talk about their anti-counterfeiting feature that they have that can only be seen using the mintmark SI decoding lens. So let's do it! Thank you so much for watching my video. I sincerely appreciate it. If you want to learn more about investing in precious metals, or if you just want to watch awesome videos about gold and silver, then subscribe to my channel. In this one, we're talking about the Sunshine Minting Rounds. Now, these are very, very special. So Sunshine Minting has been around since the 70s. The company SMI, or Sunshine Minting Incorporated, you can see the SMI up there on the corner of their decoding lens. They are doing something very special. I'm not sure how long they've been doing it for, but it is for a while now, and that is they're putting a very small mint mark on the reverse of their different bullion products. So I have a 1 ounce silver round here. Now, they're actually putting this mint mark on not just the 1 ounce, but I think the smallest that they have is a gram, and it goes up to a 100-ounce bar. So pretty much all of the products that come from Sunshine Minting, if it says that it has the mint mark SI on there, see it in the middle, mint mark SI, then it will have this micro engraving, which is a really awesome anti-counterfeiting feature. So I'm going to show you how it works. The SI, I think that stands for scrambled indica, or I'm not sure how you say it, but that's what the SI stands for, the mintmark SI. So here's the decoding lens. Now, how you use this is actually really simple. These are pretty cheap. You can buy them from most of the different bullion dealers. But this decoding lens, what it will do is this will actually enable you to see the micro engraving to confirm that this is a real and legitimate silver bullion piece that is not counterfeit. So all you do is we'll just hold it up like normal, and you put the decoding lens over the front like that, and you will see valid pop up. See that there? Valid, right in the middle. So really, really cool. Now there is one other test you can do for these other than the valid, and you can actually hold it horizontally. So we'll show you that. Hopefully we get it to come up. It is the Sunshine. So there you go. You can actually see that pretty well right in the middle. See that? It is a Sunshine. That is the Sunshine Minting Sunshine right there in the middle. So super cool. Horizontal is the Sunshine. One more time, we'll do vertical for the valid. Now sometimes you got to get this lined up just right. There it goes to get it to show, but that's actually not bad right there. You can see that right in the middle. Valid. So there you go. And then I did have a couple other pieces. These were just half-ounce ones that I had. And even the half-ounce ones have it on there, because you can see right in the middle, mint mark SI. So let me show you one of the half-ounce ones as well. You can see valid right there in the middle. So when you're buying your silver bullion, you want to make sure you're buying legitimate silver bullion and not fake silver bullion, right? So this is an awesome feature that they are putting in their products. I've not seen any other company on the market have anything similar to this at all. Now there are other companies, or mints I should say, that do have micro engravings on their pieces, but not ones that are invisible unless you have the decoder. Like, what amazing and cool technology that is. So one example of another mint would be the Royal Canadian Mint. You can see on the bottom they put that little leaf right there. That is considered a micro engraving. It is a security feature. But like I said, you can see that all the time. There's no sort of decoder lens for that. So it is a cool feature, but it's not as cool as what Sunshine Minting is doing. Now, Sunshine Minting is a huge company. They actually make the planchets for the American Silver Eagles, which is the #1 silver bullion coin in the world, right? So they make a lot of products. The products that have the sunshine minting, that SI mark on them, I think are very, very cool. If you're buying silver private party, all you have to do is have your decoding lens, and then you can actually check it, make sure it has the valid on there, make sure it's all legitimate and not a counterfeit piece. Because as we know, some pieces will get counterfeited over in China, right? Someone will say, hey, you know, I can make some money if I make a bunch of these sunshine minting rounds. So let me just bang a bunch of these out that look similar. I'll plate them in silver and no one will be the wiser. But it's extremely hard to duplicate the SI mark on there. So really, really cool feature. I just wanted to do a video highlighting that and show it to you all, show you how it works. So if you'd seen the little decoder lens and you're wondering how does this work, what products does it work on, obviously Sunshine Minting Incorporated, SMI right there. That's the product is for, that's how to use it. So I hope I could teach you something new in this video. I want to say thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. Silver Dragons out.